Hello. In this video we're going to go over radical equations. Remember that the radical sign looks like that. And so a radical equation is simply an equation that contains a root, a square root, a cube root, a fourth root, but usually a square root. Saying that, usually a square root, we are going to work a problem that has a cube root. We're going to work this problem, the cube root of x minus 7 minus 3 equals 3. The key to solving a radical equation is isolate the radical. What do I mean by that? Isolate the radical? I mean that the radical should be all alone by itself on one side of the equation. In order to isolate this radical, we're going to add 3 to both sides of the equation. And so I am going to keep the radical in red. Just the radical, this cube root of x minus 7, is now going to equal, these two 3's go away, is going to equal 6. We have isolated the radical, and the reason you want to do that is because now we can cube both sides of the equation to get rid of the radical. When you cube a cube root, you end up with whatever was under the radical sign. So this leaves us with x minus 7. And 6 cubed equals 6 times 6, 36 times 6, or 216. At this point, it becomes a very simple matter of adding 7 to both sides to get the answer x equals 223.